Hello, welcome back. I have never heard of any interview that doesn't test your knowledge of data structures. In this video, I'll explain what data structures and algorithms are, why are they so important, and how they are useful in your daily coding tasks. What is data structure? Data structure is a way to store and organize the data efficiently. Data structure are the building blocks of your code. Think of data as kitchen utensils. Imagine you need to cook rice. Which utensils will you choose? Of course, you can cook rice in many ways. You can put the rice in glass bottle, place it in microwave oven and cook it. Or you can use pressure cooker, which is the smart way. It's the same with data structure. You can complete any task using any data structure, but it might not be optimal. To find the best solution, you need to know what data structures are available. What are the different data structures? You need to understand the pros and cons of each one. To understand which is the best data structure for your problem, there is a tool called Big O notation, which we will learn in the next video. Now let's talk about algorithms. An algorithm is a sequence of steps a computer follows to perform an input into a target output. Think of an algorithm as a recipe. A recipe is a just set of instructions for a person on how to make a dish. Same with algorithms. It's a line of code, steps that computer needs to perform. There can be multiple algorithms to solve a single problem. By studying DSA, that is data structures and algorithms, one can determine which is the best solution for their problem. Now let's discuss what is efficient code. First, it should be readable, understandable, it should be clean. Second, it should be scalable. The scalability of your code depends on how efficiently you use data structure and write your code. We measure scalability in terms of time and space complexity. And for that we have a tool called Big O notation. We'll see this in the next video. Keep watching.